for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.